Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will talk about data structures and lists in particular. In Python, data structures are used to store and organize data in a specific format. These data structures provide efficient ways to perform operations on data such as insertion, deletion, retrieval, and traversal. Python offers several built-in data structures, including lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Lists are one of the most commonly used data structures in Python. They can store a collection of items of different types. Lists are mutable, meaning their elements can be modified. Tuples are similar to lists but are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be modified. They are typically used to store a collection of related values. Dictionaries are key-value pairs where each value is associated with a unique key. They are also known as associative arrays or hash maps. Dictionaries provide efficient lookup operations based on keys. There are additional data structures in Python that we won't talk about in this video. In Python, a list is a built-in data structure that allows you to store and organize multiple items together. You can create a list by enclosing a comma-separated sequence of elements within square brackets or using the keyword list. Lists are indexed, and you can access individual elements by their position, starting from 0. Let's head to VS Code. As always, I will make a new Python file, code list.py. Now I will make a variable and assign a list to the variable. Language equals to, I can do it like list, L-I-S-T, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and separate each element by a comma, but the preferred way is to use square brackets. Open bracket, close bracket, and inside brackets and inside quotations, C, comma, Python, comma, JavaScript, comma, SQL. Now I will print the entire list. Print language. Now if I run it, Python list.py, you can see it outputs C, Python, JavaScript, and SQL. Let's say that I want to access only C and print only C. In programming, lists are zero-indexed, means that if you want to access the first element or anything, you should start counting from 0. Now language inside brackets 0. Now if I run it, you can see it outputs C. Now if I wanted to access JavaScript, you can see that JavaScript is the third element in the above list, so as lists are zero index, we write instead of 0, 2. Now in terminal, you can see it outputs JavaScript. Now let's say that you wanted to access all elements except the first element. The thing to do is, inside brackets, 1 colon. Now this will exclude the first element and show the rest. Now if I run it, you can see it outputs Python, JavaScript, and SQL. You can use negative sign here too, and that reverses the including and excluding process. If you wanted to select only certain elements, like in this case I want to select only Python and JavaScript, I would do it like language inside brackets 1 colon 3. It means exclude one and include anything between the second and the third element, and exclude anything after the third element if exists. Now if I run this, you can see it outputs Python and JavaScript. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any problems, do not hesitate to comment us down below. Subscribe. Goodbye.